Hi guys, I am Ori. Across the world, things feel out of balance. But nature is always seeking harmony. Negative energy moves through the earth, through water, into rivers, into the oceans, where it is cleansed, then back into the sky. Even the rain is part of restoring balance. Deserts, too, have their role. Still, quiet, untouched, they hold a different kind of energy, while the deep oceans hold another. And you've felt this, haven't you? When you are unsettled, you are drawn to nature. A walk beneath trees, time by the water, a moment in open air. And slowly, something shifts. Because nature is always gently rebalancing you. Until next time, walk gently.